Hi! On the Woodpecker today, I'm going to show you how I made the locking rabbits on my drawers. I've made quite a few drawers in my shop. To date, they have all been made with dovetails. I wanted to try a new assembly for my dresser, so I decided to try making locking rabbits. It's really easy to do. The first thing I have to do is to rip boards at the height of the drawers. After cutting a straight end on all these boards, I cut the front to the right width. Next, I put a dado blade in the table saw. When that's done, I have to adjust the distance between the rib fence and the blade. I put a distance of 1/4 of an inch. When the fence is properly locked, I have to adjust the height of the blade. Again, I adjust it to 1/4 of an inch. Then I'm able to cut a groove in the front of the sides. When the grooves are done, it's time to make the groove in the front. Without ever touching the fence, I raise the blade to the thickness of the sides. When it's at the right height, I put the front in a vertical position and, using a piece of plywood at the back to keep it straight, I cut a deep groove. Then I lower the dado blade so I can cut the part of the back of the groove. Since I never moved the rib fence, I use shims to place the front in place. With these cuts, this is how the two pieces fit together. But sometimes, like here, they don't fit together. So I have to remove a little bit of wood. After making sure that the joints are perfect for drawers of the same height, I can mark the length of the sides and cut them. To make all the sides the same length, I cut all of them in one shot. Then it's time to put the dado blade back at the same height as I had in the beginning, and without touching the rib fence, cut another groove at the back. Next, I cut the two backs of the drawers together, and with a tongue router bit, I cut some on both sides of the back. Here I have two drawers assembled. I still have several others to do, but the technique is always the same. When all the drawers are done, I still have to cut another groove for the bottoms. After all the grooves are cut, I can glue the drawers. When the glue is dry, I have all the drawers I need for the dresser. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and see you soon for another episode of The Woodpecker.